They got rich just from social media. Here's how. 10 years ago, nobody believed you could get rich just by posting videos, snapping selfies, or sharing your thoughts online. Back then, social media was just a place to chat, share photos, and maybe rack up a few likes. But today, it has created millionaires, sometimes overnight. Influencers, entrepreneurs, and creators have used nothing more than their phones and creativity to build empires. The question is, how did they do it? Stay with me, because what you're about to discover might change the way you see your own social media forever. Step 1. Building a personal brand. At the heart of every social media millionaire is one powerful tool: personal branding. They understood that people don't just follow content, they follow personalities. Kylie Jenner didn't just sell makeup. She built a persona, a lifestyle brand that millions wanted to copy. MrBeast didn't just make videos, he became the guy who gives away cars, houses, and stacks of cash. The first lesson is this: people don't buy products, they buy into people. And here's the twist: you don't need to be famous to build a brand. You just need consistency. The internet rewards those who show up daily, share value, and create trust. Your brand becomes your currency. Look at Gary Vaynerchuk. He started by making YouTube videos about wine, talking directly to the camera with no fancy setup. Over time, that authenticity and consistency turned into a massive brand that now commands millions in consulting and business opportunities. The secret wasn't perfection, it was persistence. Step 2. Turning attention into income. Attention is the new oil. Every like, every comment, every share, it's currency in the digital world. The rich figured out how to monetize that attention. Here's the part nobody told you. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram don't just give you followers, they cut you a check. Creators like Khaby Lame, who never spoke a word in his viral videos, now earns millions through brand deals and ad revenue. He transforms silent comedy into a global phenomenon, with brands lining up to pay him for exposure. MrBeast earns millions each month from YouTube ad revenue alone. That's just the tip of the iceberg. Every view equals dollars, and every subscriber is potential income. The shocking truth: your followers can be worth more than a full-time salary if you learn how to monetize them properly. Whether it's affiliate links, sponsored posts, or exclusive content subscriptions, attention turns into income when used wisely. Step 3. Selling products and services. Social media millionaires don't stop at likes and ad revenue, they sell. Courses, ebooks, merchandise, beauty products, coaching, fitness programs, you name it. Kylie Jenner built Kylie Cosmetics through Instagram, turning her followers into customers and becoming a billionaire. Iman Gadji turned YouTube into a platform to sell his agency and online education programs, earning millions before the age of 25. Fitness influencers sell workout programs. Travel vloggers sell guides and tours. Even micro-influencers with a few thousand followers make serious money by selling niche products. Here's the big secret: followers don't make you rich, customers do. The difference between someone with 1 million followers who's broke and someone with 10,000 followers who's rich is the ability to sell something of value. Step 4. Leveraging algorithms. Most people complain about algorithms. The rich, they master them. They learn what the platforms want: watch time, engagement, retention, and they create content that feeds the system. MrBeast famously studied YouTube's algorithm for years, perfecting thumbnails, titles, and video pacing until he became the platform's king. You don't have to fight the algorithm. You have to feed it. Creators who go viral don't do it by accident. They analyze what works, test different styles, and adapt quickly. The algorithm rewards those who play its game. Think about TikTok stars like Charli D'Amelio. She mastered short, engaging content that the algorithm couldn't resist pushing to millions. The takeaway: success online is less about luck and more about strategy. Step 5. Collaborations and partnerships. If you look closely, social media millionaires rarely grow alone. They collaborate. They feature other creators, brands, and influencers to cross-pollinate audiences. Think of Logan Paul and TSI. They didn't just collaborate on content, they turned their massive followings into Prime Hydration, a billion-dollar brand. Creators like David Dobrik built empires by featuring their friends in every video. This created communities, not just content. And communities are far stronger than audiences. Here's the lesson they don't teach in school: your audience grows fastest when you share it. Partnerships are multipliers. They take one audience and double it overnight. Step 6. Diversifying income streams. The smartest creators don't rely on just one platform or one stream of income. They branch out: YouTube ads, TikTok partnerships, Instagram sponsorships, podcasts, courses, physical products. They diversify to protect themselves from algorithm changes and platform shutdowns. Consider Charli D'Amelio. She went from TikTok dances to brand deals, reality shows, and product launches. Now her income flows from multiple directions, making her financial future secure. Even musicians like Justin Bieber leverage YouTube fame to break into traditional music, diversifying income from tours, albums, and merchandise. Here's the key insight. True social media wealth isn't about one big break. It's about building multiple doors to money. Step 7. Scaling beyond social media. The richest creators know that social media is just the starting point. They use it as a launchpad to build real-world businesses. Rihanna leveraged her massive social following to launch Fenty Beauty, which became a billion-dollar empire. MrBeast created Beast Burger and Feastables, companies that thrive outside of YouTube, but are powered by his audience. Logan Paul transitioned from YouTube pranks to boxing, selling pay-per-view fights that earned him tens of millions. He turned online fame into mainstream success. Here's the twist that changes everything. Social media riches don't end on the screen. They spill over into the real world. And this is where true wealth is built. Digital fame is temporary, but businesses create lasting empires. Every post, every view, every fan becomes a gateway to products, services, and opportunities that live far beyond the algorithm. The smartest creators aren't chasing virality anymore. They're building dynasties. Step 8. Playing the long game. Most people chase quick fame, but social media millionaires think long-term. They don't burn out after one viral video. They build systems, hire teams, and invest their money back into their brand. MrBeast spends millions on each video, but that investment turns into more views, more subscribers, and more revenue. Emma Chamberlain started as a quirky YouTuber making fun edits in her bedroom. Today, she's built a coffee brand, secured fashion partnerships, and continues to grow her empire because she focused on sustainability, not just short-term views. Here's the hidden truth. Going viral can make you famous, but staying consistent makes you rich. Step 9. Emotional resilience. Social media isn't always easy. Trolls, criticism, algorithm changes, burnout, it's a constant test of resilience. But the ones who thrive are those who stay emotionally disciplined. They don't quit when numbers dip, and they don't chase every trend blindly. Take PewDiePie, the world's most subscribed YouTuber for years. He faced controversies, platform battles, and constant pressure. But he adapted, stayed true to his audience, and kept building. The hidden advantage? Emotional resilience turns temporary fame into lifelong wealth. Step 10. Reinventing and adapting. The final key, reinvention. Social media changes fast. Platforms rise and fall. Vine disappeared. MySpace faded. But the wealthiest creators reinvent themselves before the platform dies. When Vine collapsed, stars like King Bach and Lil Pons jumped to YouTube and Instagram, building even bigger careers. Social media wealth doesn't belong to those who go viral once. It belongs to those who adapt forever. So how did they get rich just from social media? They built personal brands, turned attention into income, sold products, mastered algorithms, collaborated, diversified, scaled, stayed resilient, and adapted. The blueprint is right in front of us. It's just that most people scroll past it without ever realizing. Now the real question is, are you going to keep consuming, or are you finally going to start creating? If this video inspired you, don't let it end here. Hit that like button, share this with someone who dreams of making money online, and subscribe for more eye-opening strategies. Because remember, the next social media millionaire could be you.